Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. This is TianRun TRX7, the newest electric scooter, featuring 8.5-inch wheels, 350 watt motor, 36 volt battery, 3 brakes, fender brake, disc brake, and electronic braking, and of course a removable battery, removable replaceable battery. LCD screen here that shows you speed and other values like which drive mode you're at, and battery values, battery level. You have a little ringer here as well, a little bell. So I'm just at my favorite place to ride it and enjoy it. Compared to R3S, it feels much better, more comfortable to ride. It's slightly bigger than R3S, and as you can see, as I'm riding here, the wheels, which are air-filled wheels, they feel really very smooth, like having a suspension. Though it doesn't have a suspension, but it feels like it has a suspension when you're riding. And I come to this area because this area has a lot of ups and downs, I mean slopes going up and down. So it's a good test of this scooter. This is the area I fly my FPV whoops mostly. Check it out, what those guys are doing. I don't know, maybe shooting arrows? Wrong place to shoot arrows. Okay, so yes, look at the handling of this scooter. I mean, this handles really nice. A slightly nose heavy scooter, I will say, but very, very balanced. One of the best features, as I mentioned in the review, is that one of the best features of this scooter that I mentioned in the review is that this scooter has a removable replaceable battery. On that small battery you go about 15 kilometers before you have to recharge it again, but if you have extra batteries, you can basically carry extra batteries with you and extend the mileage. So for example, if you have 3 batteries, one you're running in the scooter right here and 2 in your backpack, one battery gives you 15 kilometers, 3 batteries altogether will give you 45 kilometers. So you have 45 kilometer range on the scooter very easily, which is a very nice feature. I love it because replaceable battery means you can even carry it on the airplane. If you're traveling, you don't have to ship it. You buy it, you put it in the luggage and carry the battery with you. 5.2 AH battery is not a big problem on the airplane. So I know you have watched these areas 1,000 times in my videos, and I'm just enjoying a ride now, just for the sake of testing the TRX7 electric scooter to see how it feels to ride this scooter. Even one hand, you can basically ride it very easily. Okay, the bumps. The bumps on R3S, you will feel them. Though there's shock absorbers on R3S, but having air-filled 8.5-inch wheels on TRX7, the one that I'm riding here, you basically don't feel any bumps. It feels like, it has suspension. So I'll just take you around this area again and go home, enjoy a ride on my TRX7. Also do remember, TRX7 also gives you cruise control, so basically keeping the throttle down for more than 6 seconds will let the scooter will enter in cruise mode, so you don't have to actually push the throttles. But don't panic for that, because that is cruise control. As soon as you hit the throttle again, as soon as you press the brake, the scooter will exit the cruise control. I love the fender braking, because fender braking is like nice and mild braking and does a very good job, but I'm just worried how long the fender will survive and if it will damage the tires. Okay, I'll just do the scooter thingy, that means cross the road at zebra crossing. Nobody's here. Look, in my shadows, how I walk. I limp now. I'm a limpo guy. This scooter is really so lightweight. So I can actually pick it very easily. Oh, please wait for me. Wonderfully, it's actually handling the bumps. I am surprised. Look at this bump right here, okay? Oh, I took the front wheel off and just felt it on the rear wheel. Look, you can basically pull it up and jump. Slight jump. I mean, you can jump slight bumps and, you know, broken road, cracks in the road, potholes. Now I'm in cruise mode. Just now I was in cruise mode. Feels really nice. As soon as you hit the brake, you exit the cruise control. Scooter is really very nice to go into cramped places, beat the traffic for your short commute. This is really a nicest thing, man, here. On this bumpy, bricky road, really, I'm not feeling anything. It feels like it has really nice suspension.